assign an owner just yet. Okay. We need to make sure the priorities are in place. Okay. Before we give ownership to that. So I need to talk to Mark and see where he is with his other projects before we do that. Most likely had a few issues with our startup. Our O2 levels weren't coming within specifications when we started up, and it turned out that there was a lack of knowledge and understanding of the expectations of what we need to do on startup. So
yesterday during the AM, I didn't get my information back to Joel from the AM results, and I know that one of the issues was the locking mechanism on the back door of the robot. It tends to stick, so sometimes you turn the handle and it doesn't open. Bill has worked on and corrected that. So that
shouldn't really affect our shift or work shift on D2. Working with Paul, I'm starting to put together a little template of the findings that we fixed during the AM, so we can report that to the peak monitor and other shifts. Typically, what's been very useful is this shift is now piggybacked on the Wednesday, so we get that whole shifts get to work together.
So I'd love to. Are you guys doing your? I'm sorry, I'm stealing your meeting. Are you doing your Wednesday team meeting?
Because we do a Wednesday team meeting together.
Okay. So I'll talk to you after. I'd love to get.
that's kind of communication, get the message out.
I'm waiting.
Go back to our shift and I'll take care of it.
Quality. Yesterday we made 200 concept comes with an analog to an insert. We inserted a belly band to support the spout area.